If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Etsy, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the cancellation effectively. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access your purchases. Once logged in, click on You at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Purchases and Reviews to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through your purchases to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Look for any orders that are marked as pending or processing. Step 4. Request cancellation. Click on the transaction to open the order details. Look for the option to contact the seller or request cancellation. Write a brief message explaining your reason for cancellation and submit your request. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After sending your cancellation request, monitor your email for a response from the seller. They will later confirm the cancellation or provide further instructions. If the seller does not respond within a reasonable time, you may need to follow up. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction on Etsy. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Etsy's customer support for assistance.